Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tushar Goyal, and in this tutorial we will learn about operators. As we know, in previous tutorial we learned three types of operators, and in this tutorial we will continue with further types of operators. Here we learn two types of operator. First is relational or comparison operator, and second is logical operator. Here relational and logical operator are very useful for making our basic type of program, like for finding even and odd number, for making prime number, or finding greater than between two number or greater than between three number. These operators are very useful. So let's start. So firstly we start with relational operator. Here relational operator are those operator which are used to check relation between two operands. For example, if I want to check that a is greater than or smaller than b, so we use relational operator. Relational operator have six operators, which are: first is less than operator, second is greater than operator, third is less than equal to operator, fourth is greater than equal to operator, and fifth one is double equal to. Double equal to basically used for comparison operator. Comparison operator means that it will compare the value of both the expression, or we can say both the operands. For example, here I write if c double equal to d. Now I'm doing comparison between value of c and d to check whether they have same value or not. If they have same value, then if condition will execute, otherwise not. Here as you see that I give c equal to 30 and d equal to 30, that means they have same value. So comparison operator here will return true, so that our if condition will execute, and true, the following statement will execute, or we can say that show on output screen. Basically these both operators are used with our if and if else statements, which I will explain in next videos. So now firstly, greater than sign is basically used there to check whether a value is greater than or less than from from other operands. Here I write a is less than b. Now a have 10 value and b have 20 value, that means a is less than b. That is true because 10 is less than 20. So this statement will also execute, and we get output on our screen, that is true, a is lesser than b. Now sixth operator is not equal to operator, which is denoted by not sign and equal to operator. Here it will check that both operand have not equal to value. Like for example, here a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. They both have different value, that means a and b are not equal to each other. So if we want to check that thing, that two operands are not equal to each other, then we use not equal to operator. So you can use all rest operator here by changing the condition or making some new operands. So let's move to next operator, which is logical operator. Here logical operator basically are used to find that its logic is right or not. Logic operator have three types of operator. First is and, third is or, and second is or, third is not. These basic operator are basically gates which we study in our digital circuits. So AND operator basically used when we have AND operator will work when it's both the condition are true. For example, if a person have joint account in bank, if a person having a joint account with his wife, then the AND operator will used when they have privileges to withdraw cash from bank when both have signed the check. So then we use AND operator. Move to next operator, that is OR operator. OR operator will work when either one of the condition is true. For example, if a husband will sign a check and he can withdraw it, if a wife will sign a check, she can withdraw it. The third operator is not operator. Not operator basically change the condition. If I'm saying that A is equal to B, then if I apply not gate, then it will A is not equal to B, then it will become A is not equal to B. Here as you see that 4 is less than 1, which is true, and operator is here and operator is applied. That means we here both the operands, or we can say both the conditions are true. So here I write 4 is greater than 1, that is true, 4 is less than 10, that is true. That means both conditions are true, and now below statement will execute, that is true, both expression are true. Now move to next. Here I write 4 is greater than 1, which is true, or sign, but this time 4 is greater than 50, that is not true, but it is an OR gate. It will execute because it checks only one condition will be true, either both condition will be true. It will execute. So basically OR operator will work when one of the condition is true, then so here I will get output that is true, one of the expression is true. So now run it. Here you can see that both all expressions are executing in proper manner. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please share it, subscribe it, and thank you so much.